Good afternoon. Up here at Rock Canyon, getting some miles, getting some vert, practicing on squaw. Gotta get the legs ready for Arufa 24-hour coming up quick. I'm definitely getting in a little bit better shape every week. But yeah, since we're just essentially training on the same mountain, we got to think of some themes here for these videos. So if you got a good one, leave it in a comment below, and maybe your suggestion will be a theme of a video in the upcoming weeks. Go ahead and hit the like, hit the subscribe. Let's get some vert. Yeah. Alright, what a day. Freaking absolutely gorgeous outside. Suppose the theme of today is going to be my shoes. This time of year where everything is covered in snow, it's definitely an important part of the puzzle that is trail running in all 4 seasons. But yeah, so I, right now, and honestly for the last 2 seasons, have been using the Sportiva Blizzard GTX. Great shoe. It's got obviously GORE-TEX with that GTX in the name. It's got spikes on some of the lugs, and the lug depth, it's unbelievably deep. Yeah, it's Detroit deep, if you know what I'm saying. But it's a great winter shoe. I feel like it keeps the feet dry, keeps the feet warm, and you definitely get all the traction that you need for all this kind of trail. So that's the shoe I use. I've been using it for a while. I love it for a lot of reasons, but if you have never tried a pair, go on to skyrunco.com, or no, I think it's just skyrun.co. You know, get you a pair, get you some, get you a little bit of that. Alright, back at the fork. Gonna turn it around here. About 5.85 miles in. 2,800 feet of vert. Should be another 1,800 feet per re-summit from here, from the split. I'm gonna try and do 2 more. So should have about 15 miles and somewhere in the ballpark of 5,500 feet of vert. So it'll be a good day. Gonna try and do this all again tomorrow. But yeah, just enjoying this beauty out here, and man, glad to be headed back in the right direction as far as fitness goes, because boy, that's a deep hole I dug. Okay, scratch what I just said. I got pole malfunctions. These damn things, I don't know what I always do to them, whether it's the Leckies or these. That little button that snaps out and holds them in place, it always breaks, and this one is broken. Yeah, I'm gonna call it a day. We'll go home and grab the Leckies and get the long run in tomorrow instead. But yeah, follow me to the car, and we'll probably just wrap this all into tomorrow's vlog as well, because this one's pretty short. Woo! All right, it's Sunday, back at Rock Canyon. Got to make up for missed miles yesterday with the pole fiasco. Got the Leckies today. I checked them before coming out. They both expand and collapse. I don't know why that's so hard for these poles. It's like after a certain amount of time they just like refuse to do the most simple of things. It's all right though. We're out. We're here. Gonna get some vert, dude. Let's go. Woohoo! Up on Squaw Peak. Feeling pretty good today. It was a little cold to start, little breeze coming down Rock Canyon, but man, feeling pretty good now. Warmed up a bit for sure. I think I'll have one more climb up before the sun kind of hides under the ridge, and that climb will be pretty cold. I'm gonna try and do 3 times from the fork. Yeah, making up for yesterday, but after today I should have a nice total for the week. A little bit of building, so we're no longer on a downward trend. We are heading up, baby, heading up, getting that volume where it needs to be for a 24-hour effort on Squaw Peak. My guys, my gals, my peeps. Yee. Boy, am I lucky. I just did another lap up to Squaw, and I left my camera like right here in a tree because I had taken my pack off to do some shit and realized at the summit that I didn't have my camera. So thank goodness it's a late Sunday afternoon and there's not many people out, because that shit was just sitting there for over an hour. Oh, that would have sucked if someone would have stole my camera. $500 down the drain. And this is only my second vlog. Let's not lose this thing. Yeah. Alright, finally getting some good training in. That is very nice. Let's see the totals for today. 11.5 miles, 4,500 feet of gain. I will take it. It's about 25 for the week, and I don't know, around 8,000 feet. Let's try to get it into the 30s or 40s next week with I don't know, let's get at least 10K vert. I've got to start getting into that somewhere near 20,000 a week range by peak of this training block. So got some work to do, but at least I'm getting some done. Yeah.